Now students, lesson number 3 of standard 9, exercise 3.2, question number 2. Here this type of the diagram is given in your textbook. You have to observe this diagram, you have to go through it and you give the answer. You have to give the answer. There are 8 questions. You have to give the answer of those 8 questions. Before giving this and explaining this question, I will explain this one. No, this is very important. No. The x coordinate is also called abscissa. That means the number which is associated with x axis is known as abscissa. That means suppose you are writing x and y. Okay, so x number is known as abscissa. 4 and 5. So 4 is associated with x. So 4 is known as abscissa, and the y coordinate is also known as called as ordinate. Means your y is associated with ordinate. The number which is associated with y is known as ordinate. Your y is ordinate. This is very important because you have to give according to this answer. Now, first question is the coordinate of B. So where is B? You have to observe this. B is given somewhere. You have to find where is B. This is B. B is here. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and fourth. So we have to take first x, the number which is associated with x. What is the number on x axis which is associated with B? Here it is 5. That is sign is minus 5. So minus 5. And which number is associated with on the y axis with this number? Here it is 2. So minus 5 and 2 are associated with B. The number, the coordinate of B is minus 5 and 2. Minus 5 is x and 2 is y. Next question. So answer you can write. The first one is B. Number associated with B is minus 5 and 2. Second question. What is the coordinate of C? So where is C? First, second, third, fourth. On fourth, C is in the fourth quadrant. We know that in first quadrant both are x and y are plus. In second quadrant minus and plus. X is minus and y is plus. In third quadrant x is minus and y is also minus. In fourth quadrant x is plus and y is minus. So which this line is associated with which number? 5. So x is 5 and this line is associated with which number on the y axis? That is minus 5. So C number, the coordinate of the C is 5 and minus 5. Is that clear? Next question. The point identified by the coordinate of minus 3 and minus 5. Where is minus 3 first? Minus 3 is here. Minus 3 is going like this. And where is minus 5? This. So which number is associated with? Number associated with minus 3 and minus 5 is which number? Which E. What is it? E. Okay, E point. Point E. Again see, minus 3 is going this way. Minus 5 is coming here. So which point is here? It is intersecting at point E. So minus 3 and minus 5 is associated with point E. Now, what is the question 4? The point identified by the coordinate of 2 and minus 4. Where is 2? 2 is positive. So here it is 2. And next one is minus 4. Where is minus 4? Here it is. The point associated with 2 and minus 4 is point. Which point? G. Now, fifth question. The abscissa of D. Abscissa is associated or coordinate with and is known as x. So, what is said? D. Where is D? Here, D is in the first quadrant. D is here. First write is coordinate. Which number is on the x first? 6. Which number is on the y? 2. So, x and y are 6 and 2. What is known as abscissa? X coordinate is known as abscissa. So what is called abscissa here in D? So answer is 6. Abscissa of D is 6. That means the number associated associated on x-axis is 6. Now, what is it? Ordinate of the point H. Where is H? First find where is H? Here H. Ordinate, first write is coordinate -5 and -3. X is -5 and y is -3. Ordinate is known as y. The number which is associated with y is known as ordinate. So your ordinate is ordinate of H is which number? -3. Now 7. What is the question? The coordinate of L. I'll explain what is the difference between ordinate and coordinate. I'll explain it. Here, coordinate of L. Where is L? So it is on the y-axis. So you have to take x and y. X is 0 whenever it is on the y-axis. So x will be 0 and y is 5. So coordinate of L are 0 and 5. It is on y-axis. So x is always 0. Next question. Coordinate of M, point M. M is on x-axis. So -3 and it is on x-axis, so y will be 0. So coordinate of M are, what is it? -3 and 0. Here ordinate means the number which is associated with y. Here coordinate means both number x and y. Okay, the point which associated with x and y is known as coordinate, and coordinate means only associated with y. I think you have followed. You have to do in your homework book. Okay, next I will explain it next. Okay.